Check out this 2012 Ford Edge. This is the set of wheels you've been looking for, with a reliable engine that responds smoothly to its 6-speed automatic transmission. Treat yourself to a premium sound system. Anti-lock brakes help you bring your vehicle to a safe stop. And memory settings are one of many features. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this vehicle: air conditioning, power door locks, power windows, power steering, cruise control, power mirrors, an AM/FM stereo with a CD player. Our website offers more information on all of our vehicles. Call us today to start test driving.